The Exec GripMaster Autodesk offers a reliable way to stay organized while working on the road. This desk is specially designed for writing, laptop, and tablet use, transforming your vehicle into a mobile office. This desk features a non-skid work surface, which helps to keep your electronics in place. The GripMaster also features a pull-out writing surface and a built-in clipboard to keep your papers organized. There's also a large storage compartment under the writing surface, and compartments for storing files and miscellaneous office essentials. Travel in style by adding the Exec GripMaster Autodesk to your cart today.